Girl dinner is a viral trend that refers to a low-effort meal consisting of small snacks and appetizers, similar to a charcuterie board. The term was coined by TikTok user Olivia Marr and is seen as a way to challenge traditional gender norms by allowing women to take a break from cooking and enjoy a self-indulgent meal. However, some TikTok users are concerned that girl dinner may promote unhealthy habits. It is important to have a balanced approach to food. On the other hand, some users view girl dinner as a positive response to diet culture, promoting healthy eating habits, and allowing individuals to listen to their bodies. When preparing a girl dinner, it is recommended to include a variety of foods and eat mindfully. Examples of easy girl dinner options include instant noodles, frozen waffles, chips and guacamole, and adult Lunchables.